thought that I had everybody on my side, but then I went and blew it, all sky high. Now she won't even spare a passing glance, and all just because I ripped my pants. When Big Larry came in just to put him down, SpongeBob turned into a clown. And no girl ever wants to dance with the fool who went and ripped his pants. I know I shouldn't mope around, I shouldn't curse, but the pain feels so much worse. 'Cause winding up with no one is a lot less fun than a burn from the sun or sand in your buns. Now I learned a lesson I won't soon forget, so listen and you won't regret. Be true to yourself, don't miss your chance, and you won't end up like the fool who ripped his pants. That's a little ad-lib at the end for you.